Hi, my name's John Kirkpatrick, and I'm the Test Kitchen Manager at Cuisine at Home magazine.
And my name's Haley Wilson, and I'm a Senior Editor at Cuisine at Home magazine.
We're here to give you an idea of what we love about our magazine.
One of the best things about our magazine is the recipes. They're tested rigorously, both by the recipe developers and by the test kitchen.
All of our recipes are developed in-house. We hold a taste panel that confirms that the recipe is going to work. We have people from the art department, we have the editors, and we have the test kitchen people. We bring you authenticity with our testing process.
The other great thing about our magazine are the photos. They're beautiful. Many of them are quite large, so you can see all the ingredients in the food. It'll really get you salivating and make you want to jump into the kitchen ASAP.
Part of what the test kitchen staff does is food style. We make those recipes look fantastic, but we don't do it artificially. If our recipe isn't what you produce at home, you're not going to come back to us. So we need to make sure that what you see is what you get.
And now that we have a website that's been completely revamped to be more user-friendly, you can find all of our recipes online, and you can also find corresponding technique videos that'll help you get through a tricky process if you're not sure how to do it.
We also have flash drives that are available. One is the archival back issue library, which you can add to as we progress, as well as special interest publications that are also curated.
And with all the new content out there, I think you'll want to check out our e-newsletter if you're not already getting it. Just sign up on our website, and every week you'll get recipes and tips right in your inbox, ready for you to dive in.
So follow us.
Yeah, if you're into social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, you'll see all of our great recipes in process. You'll see fails sometimes. It's all part of the fun. Happy cooking.